appear as if I fucked up the color. I put in a little tiny bit UR50, that one, that bottom one. Put a little tiny bit too much. I went like 4 over, and I don't want to report it because I've already fucked up like 4 times. We're going 1 over, 2 over. Yeah, see, that's my car color. Let's go spray it. That was fun. Oh yeah, that's definitely the color. I put in a little tiny bit, whatever. Oh, reducer, UR50. That's the one I went over on. Whatever, let's just hope it works. They're hood hinges, it's not that serious. Go make sure the hood hinges. Update on the, this is what we're gonna come spray. And these are the headers you saw the video of earlier. Oh, look at how nice that looks. I think it needs a second coat. Oh, does that look nice? Yeah! Yeah! Like Little John. Yeah! Those came out nice. They won't end up rusting and warping like my old ones. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, let's see how we did with that paint. I gotta get this thing out. Man, those came out nice. Hopefully those will come out nice too. Yeah! Let's see how bad I made this. Hood hinges, it's not that serious. This is just practice. God damn it. I think that's good to pour into my spray gun. Yeah, last time I used that spray gun I was 18. I think we're good to pour. I did a good job on that color, I think, even with the heavier reducer. I probably screwed it up by going too heavy on the reducer. At least I tried.